Hi, this is Gully Goldfarb. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm going to be talking about how to treat nail fungus naturally. Nail fungus is a widespread condition which can affect anyone. The disease affects both toenails and fingernails, and it starts out small as either a white spot or a yellow spot under the tips of the nails. Then the fungus begins to spread further and further and deeper within the nail and can cause your nails to thicken, to change color, and to even crack and crumble at the edges. The condition can affect several nails at once as well. Now, if the symptoms are mild, you won't need any treatment. But if you start feeling pain and you see your nails thickening beyond comfort, then you will definitely want to try out some of these treatments. On the downside, nail fungus is notoriously difficult to treat because of several reasons, which include the slow growth of nails, especially toenails, nail thickness, and the difficulty of penetration of medicinal drugs through the nail to reach the fungus, as well as the survival of the fungi in footwear for long periods of time, and the lack of blood supply directly to the nails, causing a lack of immune function inside the nails. Now, nail fungus can be a very long-lasting condition, especially in the absence of effective treatment. Now, get this, one study showed that the average disease duration was almost 18 years. Now, a complete cure can be achieved in 18 months in 75% of patients following persistent medicinal treatment. However, this often comes with a price tag of toxicity from the drug, leading to many side effects. Now, there are also very high recurrence rates and relapse occurring in about 53% of all patients due to the presence of residual fungal spores. Now, in this video, I will suggest several treatments, natural treatments, that have been proven to help heal from nail fungus, and if followed in a persistent manner over a sustained period of time, these potent compounds will slowly kill the fungus until it disappears with time. But before we start with the treatment recommendations, you should learn about the origins of nail fungus a little bit and how we can prevent it from occurring in the first place. So nail fungus is definitely more prevalent among older people, and several types of fungi can cause it. It usually appears when we have cracks in our nails, but also reduced blood circulation that usually happens when we age and through faulty dietary habits or with diabetes will cause nail fungus to occur more often, and also when the immune system is weak. Although you're at higher risk of developing nail fungus if you've had athlete's foot or a similar condition that affects the nails previously. Now, the best way to avoid nail fungus is to take good care of your nails and their hygiene. Also, take good care of your footwear. Ensure that your shoes are dry and clean, and avoid prolonged exposure to damp and dirty environments such as sweaty shoes or going without socks and closed shoes for long periods of time. We all pretty much know that, but sometimes we just don't follow that. Okay, now we know what to do to avoid nail fungus. Let's take a look at how we can heal from it once we already have it with natural remedies. The first unlikely home remedy for nail fungus is oregano oil. It contains an ingredient called thymol, which can be found to have much antibacterial and antifungal attributes. All you need to do is use a cotton swab to apply the oil to the infected area 2 times for 6 months. Now, you may even drip it directly between the nail and the skin underneath twice a day for only 2 months, and that will have the same effect. Now, other remedies mentioned in the study from the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine that shows that Vicks Vapor Rub can be used to treat nail fungus. Now, the reason is that this cough suppression medication has 2 ingredients, namely eucalyptus oil and camphor, that have shown to have positive effects against nail fungus. These active ingredients can also be used on their own, as I recommend, or in the same way that oregano oil is applied that I just mentioned, dripping it on between the skin and the nail. Now, olive leaf extract has also shown to have antifungal activity, especially for the nails, according to a review from 2012. You can either ingest it as in a capsule form or apply it in a salve directly to the fungus. It appears to have antimicrobial, antifungal, and immune-boosting properties. Now, another study showed the benefits of tea tree oil in battling nail fungus, and this one I like the most because it smells the best. The study found that tea tree oil was just as effective as the antifungal medication clotrimazole. Also, snake root extract is another potent antifungal. It's made from plants from the sunflower family. The extract was shown to be very effective against toenail fungus as just as almost as prescription medications are. You can also try soaking your legs in apple cider vinegar once a day for 2 months, as vinegar is known to have strong antifungal properties, but it also has a strong smell. So if you're sensitive to smells, you won't want to be putting it on, especially before bedtime, on your feet. You also want to change your diet to ensure that you're eating healthy foods. A healthy and regulated diet will boost your immune system and help keep the fungi under control. You may wish to try out several of these mentioned remedies, hopefully to find one that will help solve your problem. But be sure to persist with any of these treatments for the treatment period that I recommended before switching to a new therapy, saying that that one doesn't work. They all really do work. There are some that work better for some people and some that work better for other people. So try them out for the time period, see which one works best for you, and they will help.